So, listen, guys, stay put for a little bit. Go get your coffee, go get your tea, get your coffee, get your tea, and then we're gonna be back. We still have some time left over here, and my neck is sore. So I'm gonna go get my coffee, have a 5 or 6 paracetamols, and then things are gonna be great. So, yeah. Share the elephant in the room. What elephant, man? There is no elephant. There is no elephant in the room. So people saying voice is low, voice is perfect. What's wrong with the voice? Audio is working perfectly fine. All right, still got about 10 minutes left for the candles to close here. I'm gonna get my coffee and stuff. All right, what are you guys doing? What are you guys up to over here? So, oh shit. Yeah, it's like when you go to school and the teacher steps out of the room and then the whole class goes, I have a sprained neck here today, so we'll restrict movements here. Got a very, very strained neck today. So we will try to make our movements to a minimum, right? It's going to be a minimum movement. Your sofa looks comfortable. Yeah, that's where I got the sprained neck from last night. Okay. So let's talk about the elephant in the room. Everyone's been asking me about this, and I guess it's time to talk about this. So basically, when this candle broke the low of the previous candle, I was like, okay, you know what? There's volume and price would continue pushing down. So I took a sell. Right here, I took a sell. Price went in profits. I put my stops at break even. Right here, this one. And then price came back up and yeah, basically stopped me out. So we're consolidating here today. So let's do this over here. Let's do some full analysis. Right? Let's do full analysis here. Let's start off with the daily time frame. Daily, it's just making no sense over here. Daily, right? Because ideally, we made a high around 1808 on the daily, and we came down. So now, basically, we'll need price to create some sort of a support to continue pushing up. Let's take a look on the 4 hour. 4 hours just consolidating here. Nothing to see here on the 4 hour time frame. Just straight consolidation. We got support. Your Instagram got deactivated. Okay. My Instagram didn't get deactivated. I deactivated my Instagram. And people have been messaging me since yesterday. Hey, bro, are you okay? Is everything okay? Blah, 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 as if I died. Social media, kids, get over it. You know, so, and the reason why I did that was because I saw that there's much bigger opportunity in YouTube. So I think it would make sense to leave Instagram deactivated for a little bit and just focus on YouTube because, yeah, that was my decision. So let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, we do have the support right here now on gold, but at the same time, we created a high right here, clean candles to the left hand side. So there's a probability for price to continue to push up and retest this high at 1793. It's like a 51 pip range over here. Why do you take a sell after London open candle on gold on things I've been watching since the last 2 days? Couldn't do it because of Jummah prayer. Oh, don't be sad, man. You prayed Jummah. Don't be sad. Be happy you prayed Jummah. Damn, you are a huge inspiration to us on IG. Well, I'm on YouTube as well and on Twitter. Yeah, I just got on Twitter. I think Twitter is way easier to post on. So you guys can go ahead and follow me on Twitter. The name is in the description. Oh, see what happened? You guys see? See all this what happened? My enemies took out the light. They took out my electricity. My enemies don't want us to do this stream, so they took out the electricity. But we have backups on backups. That's why the stream is still going. My enemies. Anyway, so yeah, yeah, we'll have to wait over here. So let's do this. Do this. Go over here. Do this. Boom. Yeah, this is Southern Gold. So yeah, we'll have to wait for price to kind of like, you know, break above. Let's take a look at that on 30-minute time frame. So on the 30-minute, it makes sense. Like we're creating this minor resistance on the 30-minute. So I'd say we'd want price to break above 1790 to continue to push up, to correct this move up, back up as it came down. Sell on gold was simple. You know, if you see my analysis was I even tweeted this on Twitter that we should break above 1792, and after that price should continue to push up. But I missed it, and then afterwards when we saw the chart, we saw we closed back in the range, right? So this became a picture perfect fake out, right? Fake out. Candle broke the low, took the sell, stops over here, price went down. Before it closed, I closed my position and made money. Is trading only one currency pair, trading two less? Yeah, one is good, two are also good. How's your router working? My router is working perfect, which is why you can see the live stream at this point. Try to adjust this chair because of my neck sprain. Ah, perfect. Perfect. Will you start Instagram? I don't think so. I don't know. Why did Kerwin post where's Raja Banks? I don't know, because he don't know where Raja Banks is. Have you increased your lot size? Yes. I've been trying with 125 and 150, and it's been, so far it's been working. I blew my entire account on CPI news on Wednesday. Well done. Hey, Rita, you turned the arrows on and off. It's called trade history. Yes. So looking at pound yen, let me just change the colors here. And let me change the color to black. Right now, let's take a look on the 4 hour on pound yen. 4 hours coming down. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour on pound yen is coming down to rejection area. We would think that price should continue pushing down to retest the low at 161,400. Gotta take off my watch. Yeah, 161,400, but let's take a look at on the 30 minutes, see what more information we can find. So on the 30-minute time frame, we are kind of creating a support. Looking at the 15-minute, yeah, that support is pretty strong. It's strong enough support that it's being held by the 30-minute time frame. So we'll have to wait for price to break below 161,800 for price to continue to push down. Gold screwed a lot of people with that fake out. I didn't go along because of the price already broken close near rejection wicks on the left. Yeah. See, the thing is, I was looking at my loss from CPI, and let me go over that here with everyone. How to recognize a fake out? Yar Walid Saab, there's a webinar in the database about that. Do you know Salman, Shah Rukh, or Amir Khan? Depends which Amir Khan. Okay, so this sell over here, this sell got activated 8 seconds before CPI. Right? 8 seconds before CPI, it got activated when it shouldn't have. What I was doing was, I was basically, let me do this. Okay, so this is where the sell got activated. I was moving my sell stop as the spreads were widening up. And I think one mistake I made with that sell stop, if that wouldn't have been executed, my buy stop would have been executed. Well, like, you know, mostly slipped as well, but it would have executed and would have made money. So what happened over here is I moved my sell, as I was moving it, price wicked down to the support and activated it. And next thing I knew, there was this big bum candle going all the way back up, you know, and I hit close around 1790, and price actually closed me out 90 pips. You know, so my stop got slipped 90 pips because it was just too big of a move, man. I mean, it was just wild move. And then I caught the sell with price all the way down till 1794. So from 1806, I sold all the way down to 1794, back up to this probably like, you know, rejection area, because price may reject over here, and it did, you know, just kind of rejected. We had another rejection, and then this one just moved up. So yeah, so we're just gonna, like, you know, wait for price to basically close above 1788, 1789. You were a cowboy? Exactly. People forget how slippage is in reality. Oh yeah, like, look, 29,000 down the drain. But the thing is, I remained calm because it was still a very, very small percentage based on what I was risking. So yeah, my current net worth depends of what you count. Like liquid cash, well over 7 figures. Assets, 7, close to 8, I would say. In assets close to 8, but it depends. Was it you really on the Dr. Dollar stream? Yes, that was me. Roger made 4.5 mils last year. Yeah. Do you hedge your account? No. No, I don't. I don't hedge my account. How do you determine what to set first? Both. I set both. Buy stops and sell stops. They go in at the same time. Home in Canada still rented? It's rented. Never sell assets. I'm not selling that house. Never sell assets, man. Never sell assets unless you really, really, really need the cash. Otherwise, never sell assets. You do 25 on news only and do full others? Yeah. Yesterday I caught buys from 120 pips, as you always say, pre-London. Very nice, man. Very well done. Do you have any tips to increase account size? Yeah, increase lot size. Are you waiting for GG candle to close? Yep. You just joined. Harry, if there's going to be a question coming on, which we discussed earlier on, I think, yeah, you know where to go, Harry. Harry is our, what's the word? Most consistent Zoomer. That's what I would say. Like a lot of other guys, but Harry is one of the most consistent Zoomers. I know this because I always see your name. Was it you on Stop Loss Matters? Yes. Oh, and Waleed too. It's better to trade the retracement of price, the actual news event. I learned. Awesome. So yeah, I mean, gold will have to wait for price to break above 1789 and pound yen over here as well. So will you be back on Instagram? No, I don't think so. I'm going to be posting a lot on my YouTube because I was trying to get into these YouTube like my thoughts series or something like along those lines on YouTube, but I don't know. We'll see. I have a lot of enemies on Instagram, and I haven't made any on YouTube, so I guess it's time to make some on YouTube. You should get active on the community section for any updates. I don't know what that is. How can I get your contact number for having your coaching? My contact number? You can't. It's very tough. You need to contact someone to contact me, and then for me to give them your my contact number. When are you streaming in London? Never. Please come back on Insta? No. Wouldn't you open a Telegram account? No. YouTube community is like Twitter for YouTube. Oh, yeah, I'm actually more active on Twitter now. Phone number क्या है आपका? 0900786601. Telephone. Telephone. You guys remember telephone? Bro, Pakistani scams, man. Back in the day, we used to have this number. This ad would play on the TV, and the ad would be like 0900786601. And that phone call was cost like, I don't know, like maybe 20 cents or 25 cents per minute. And they'd get you to listen to jokes and riddles and songs and poetry and all that bullshit, you know? It was a huge scam. Oh man. हाँ जी, मेरा ही अकाउंट है 485 फॉलोअर्स वाला. Yeah. How tax in Pakistan? Is it good? It's bad, man. Pakistan country is basically going down the drain. It's a failed state. It's a failed state. It's a perfect place to live. If you have money, you can get security, you can get everything you want because it's a failed state. It's a failed state. No matter what someone says we're doing good, Pakistan's not doing good. It's like that company who's drowning in debt and the CEO says, oh, we're fine, everybody. We're fine. But in reality, it's not fine. I've become consistent profitable after 2 or 3 trades. It took me a lot of hours of studying to understand. Watch your whole channel. I continue to listen to your streams like a podcast. Thank you, man. Thank you. Really appreciate it. These streams are actually like podcasts. They're actually like, you give me a topic and I'm just going to, talk about it on and on and on and on. So that's why. Do you know Omar Ashraf? Yes. We've talked here and there, but this one time we were in the same city at the same time, but didn't get to meet up. Why did you return to Canada from Pakistan? Any specific reason apart from going back home? No, not really. I was just like, Canada was turning into a communist country, really, really communist country, Canada. So I looked at that and I thought to myself, man, I work online. All my living is online. I don't have to live in Canada. There's no need for me to live in Canada. So I just booked it, left. That's the whole beauty about working online. You can work from anywhere you want. You can live anywhere you want. आपका student बनना चाहता हूँ. Bismillah. I followed you on Instagram and you blocked me right after I follow you for no reason. Yes, I didn't like your name, Jacob. I actually deactivated it. Do you know about lab-grown diamond? No. All right, let's take a look at this. Ooh, caught 10 pips. Very nice. Beautiful. Great job, man. Great job. Someone is saying sell GJ, you will thank me later. What if we don't sell GJ? What if we sell GJ and it goes the opposite way? But I guess you'll have to wait for some confirmation on pound yen here. At least let the price close below 161,780, even 161,800. Wait for it to at least close below 161,800. My family is now looking forward to even starting a side hustle. We discussed it after one of your streams where you said how income streams need to be increased, especially in the coming days. Yeah, man, side hustles. If your whole family is getting together and thinking of ways to do a side hustle, that's the best opportunity. That's the best opportunity. I don't see any families that come together and say, hey, we need to do a side hustle. You know, there's only one person. There's one black sheep in the family who says, hey, I'm going to do a side hustle. And everyone says, no, that's a stupid idea. That's a dumb idea. No one's going to buy it. You know, so if you're a family, you're coming together on a table and talking about side hustles, I think that's awesome. I mostly break even, struggling to become profitable. I think I need to improve my trade management skills. I think you need to improve your risk management skills. That's what you need to improve on. I've become profitable daily and all because I watch your streams from Kenya. Thank you. Oh, someone has a buy from 1790. Do you think it will come above 1790? 1790? 1790 is above a resistance here, buddy. Oh, should be a tough situation. All right, pound yen is breaking below here. 15-minute candle is about to close. 30-minute candle is going to close in about 20 minutes. So, wow, 40 pip range over here. At least I'll wait for the 15-minute candle to close. Most traders fail because they bring in their personal problems in trading. Why would you need Abu Bakr? How can we send charts? I cannot find your PAM account. Please come to Africa. No thanks. Oh bhai, Instagram बंद ना कर, motivation कैसे आएगी? So this guy said, hey man, don't close Instagram. How will I get motivated? Brother, if your current situation where you live in, what you make, what you earn, and the people you want to inspire and the people you want to prove wrong, if that situation is not motivating you enough to really work, I don't know what kind of motivation you're looking for. You're looking for envy, my friend. Motivation is something different. Motivation comes from the fact where you wake up in the morning, look in the mirror, and you don't like what you see. Seriously, that's the only reason I go work out. Because I don't want to wake up one day, go in the mirror and see, ah, shit, I don't like this. I don't like what I see. I want to wake up to see some muscles and traps and some chest, you know, some biceps, some veins popping out of my shirts. That's what I want to see. That's where motivation comes from. You know, anything you do in life that's self-motivated, that's where it comes from. You know, like when we used to do sales back in the day, there were guys that would say, oh man, it's been 3 weeks, haven't made a single sale. I would have made more money working at McDonald's. We're like, hey, go work at McDonald's. Go work there. And he did work there. And you know what he's doing now? He started his own company. So he's doing well. Okay. How can I join your Zoom group? You can't. After 2 trades of loss, mind is blast. Help. Mind is blast like kaboom. After 2 trades loss, just go over those losses. Just go over those losses. Your thoughts on trade courses. Amazing. We're going to have the second market fluidity intake opening on the 1st September. This is the market fluidity course. This will take you from point A to point B, and at the end of the year we're trying to really revamp everything. We're trying to, I was discussing this with my team, what we need to do is we need to bring out remaster everything that we've recorded, mostly in the unlearn and relearn section. So that's something that we will be working on remastering here in the next couple of months. So we'll see how that remastering is gonna go. Can't find your Twitter account, man. You're dumbass shit, man. It's literally in description. You go see my description is right there. When you say you go over your losses and find out how you could have done better, how to do that? How to do that is okay. Let's go over this loss over here. This loss right here, right? Sell stop, got activated, lost almost 100 pips. How do I do that? Well, next time, maybe put sell stop, like as price is approaching support, maybe next time I'm going to put sell stop below support, because that's what happened over here. Price activated that sell stop. I think we have a webinar on how to go over losses. If we don't, I think there's a video I did on YouTube. I'll check. If we don't, then we'll do a webinar about it. Oh, yes, we have. Okay, then maybe you can share a link so that all of us can see. If it's in a database, then it's in a database. If it's a webinar on YouTube, then that's another thing. Oh, look at this. I used indicator almost 8 months after purchase market fluidity, then realized I never start Forex. I waste my time. Thank you for your education. Thank you, man. Thank you. See, here's your proof right there. The guy used indicator 8 months after purchase market fluidity, and he realized he's just wasting his time. Why would you want to use indicators when indicators run off of price action? When indicators, they run off of candles. You know, so if you can't read candles, indicators are not going to make you consistent money. I can guarantee you that. Do you think if you play a stop loss with that goal, you would have lost less? Yeah, I think so. I think so. It would have still gapped, but I still think so. I wasted 1 year on indicator. Now I use market fluidity. Amazing. Thank you, man. Please have a look pre-London's trade. What was the mistake? Well, Ravinder, let's see over here. What percentage is good for day trading? 126.7%. All right, let's see over here. This is... What was your mistake? Impulse entry was taken when price closed above resistance. Also, we can see it formed 990 support. So you took a buy over here. Maybe you could see where you could have lost less. What could you have done to lose less? What time frame you could have used? How long will September intake last? It's going to be lifetime enrollment, no monthly fee, one-time fee, but it's only going to be open for 2 weeks. What do you think of USD news today? I think, let's see what happens. One thing I can say, most of the times candles interest rate move 50-year price keep pushing, vice versa. Mr. Junaid Ashfaq, maybe it's going to be better if you can also like, you know, post your messages publicly. I'm also in the process of introducing more family members to Forex. I recommend it. No, don't do that. In September 7th, dinner legit? Yes, it's 100% legit. September 7th, we're going to be having dinner in Miami with my enemies. It's legit. I'm not joking. It's legit. You got to show up. If you don't show up and I know who you are, I'm going to come to your crib. I'm going to open your phone and I'm going to make sure you block me, and then I'm going to block you. So yeah, I got contacts in Miami. GJ fake out. It never even broke below. Where will you advertise your issues now that you're out of Insta? Well, you'll see me on Twitter. I don't think so. My stop loss didn't activate. I took exactly the same loss in Raja. Oh. Yeah. I didn't see you in IG, my man. Okay. Will the trainees will get access to your Zoom after training? Yes. Absolutely. Your brothers are doing only we all got your back out in the army. Oh, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Your course is free on internet. Everything is free on the internet. Would you entertain some gold potential sells? Entertain them? No. Maybe below 1784. There's a lot of problems over here. Below 1784. This is that video to throw losses. Okay.
Are you tired of being lost in the...
Yes, tired of watching your ads here on my channel. Logan Paul looking like Forex trader over here. Oh yeah, this one. We're gonna talk about this buy which we had on gold sells on July. So let's take a look at that over here. Yeah, this one. Hey, I'll post it here for you guys in the gulag. Transitions we could add and give a like on the stream. Let's close this over here. I don't want myself to give myself a strike. Why not trade indices? I don't. Classic Raja porn music. Thank you. How much does it cost to join your live trading community? For you, my friend, we will put the price at $1,200 per month. Your thoughts on USD JPY buy? Send a chart. How can I follow you, my bro? On Twitter. Seriously, it's right there. $3 million. Why you not trade on indices? I don't. If gold closes bullish with a rejection, high probability it's going to fly. Yeah, it needs to close bullish first, maybe above 1789. You should replay that CPI loss. Your face was priceless. Oh, really? All right. Let's see over here. I was on the phone, actually. I was on the phone with my uncle. Let's see over here. Let's see over here. All right. Oh. It's over here. CPI, it was on the 10th, right? Is not. No. Use a lower lot size. Oh yeah, let's look at it together, everybody. Let's take a look at this together. So we got 20 seconds left. Let me increase this. Oh, it's HD, okay. Right? 20 seconds. Look how I'm going to move my sell stop here. Look at this. 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Look at this. Look what happened. Right here. Let's play it. And also look at the spreads here on gold too. Yeah, 5 pip spread over here. 5 pip spread. 5, 4. It's still 5, 4. 10 seconds left. See that? 6 pip spread over here. Oh wow, look at that. That's where it got activated. It was an 8 pip spread. 8 pip spread right there. And that's my face right. 8 pip spread. And we still had like 8 seconds left for the candle to close. That was the only problem. See, it got activated. And me being a dumbass, man, I just got sidelined by the phone call I had. And now you're going to see I should have just closed it. Should have closed it. But now you're going to see in the new candle form. Look. Now the new candle is going to form right here. New candle forming. And that's my face right there. And man, oh man, that was just insane. Look at this. It got closed way over there. And I'm still on the phone. I'm like, holy, come on, man. Hang up the phone so I can. Yeah, so you can learn a lot of things, man, from past performance. Incredible. So yeah, we're still consolidating on 30-minute time frame on gold. You know, nothing to do right now. Just basically waiting. You know, just basically waiting at this point. How did you not blow your account like that? Because I have 2.2 million in this account. I lost 26,000 on that trade. I lost 26,000 on that trade on a 25 lot right here. 29,200, sorry. And then I made that back later on as price basically retraced. That's why I didn't blow my account. Some people are getting excited about gold. You're getting excited about what? Nothing. Consolidating. Gold is ranging. How do I see your stories? You can't. Boss, continuously my third week closed at break even. That's better than losing. I'm taking only one trade a day, also managing risk, but still results in BE. Any advice? Maybe you're not letting your runners run, your winners run. Maybe you're closing your winners too soon. Maybe you're doing that. Just look at things, man. Try to analyze your performance. Every 2 days, you can't come to me and say, oh, man, I took a loss over here. What do you think I should have done? What do you think I should have done? What do you think I should have done? Why don't people come to me and say, hey, man, here's my chart. I took a loss, and this is what I think I should have done to maybe manage my risk better, or maybe to basically not take a trade. And if I read that, then I'm going to be like, okay, like, this person is now using their brain right now to come up with a reason of why they lost the trade or how they could have done better. Then I can say, oh yeah, you know what? That's perfect. That's exactly what should have done, or you could have done this. But when someone sends me a chart, hey, I lost, boo-hoo, what the fuck am I supposed to do with that chart? What am I supposed to do? Just be like, oh, good job, great, better luck next time, or just, oh yeah, there was a resistance there. No, man. You have to cognitively analyze every trade. You have to come up with a reasoning what was happening. There was a fake Raja Banks in every live this morning. That was me. What do you think of hedging? Great. Some platforms ban it. Are you looking for sell on pound yen? I was looking for sell, but I guess it's not happening at this point. I've been tracking your performance for education purposes. I noticed a commission change on 2nd July 2021 to 7th July 2021 from $7 to $5. Oh, wow, someone's been tracking. I didn't even notice that. Oh, I think we were testing some stuff. Yeah, that's why it went down to $5. What we were testing was for, I don't think I should say this, but that's something we were testing for live streamers, that the streamers we have on YouTube, we're rolling out a program for live streamers, only for live streamers on YouTube. What time is news today? Same time, 8:30. My girlfriend Mariam is here on the stream today for the first time. Can you please say hi to her? Hey, hello. How you doing? In mentorship program, you trade live 5 days. No. Are you playing like PlayStation and FX? Maybe. Please read on CPI. I caught some sells yesterday. I caught 100 pips in London session. My question is, you look for buys and uptrend, selling downtrend, or yeah, both. Add YouTube channel link on Twitter profile. Okay. Hey, Roger, get back on Instagram. Nah. I found out, I was looking at Instagram like every 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and I'm like, hey, you know what? No. Just deactivated it. Went on a dark road and just deactivated. I'm like, no. Let's focus on some other stuff. So we're going to focus on YouTube. All right. Is Market Fluidity courses online? They're all online. Plus, if you want, I can send you a DVD as well. Do you know Ace Bank, Raja? No. People want to say it, do this, do that, because maybe they need someone to blame. Yeah. Replace it with TikTok. I'm not a TikTok guy. I don't know. What is your cast? Last night, everyone was looking for Raja Banks. You create Instagram without telling me? Yeah, maybe because no one's important. You used to watch Instagram every 20 minutes, but you never saw my message. Oh, man. Oh, see that? My enemies have run away now. Lights are back. How do banks trade Forex? I don't know. Are you Patan? Kha. Zama. Pashto khabar hai. Zama mor pakhtun de. No, zama mor pashto khabar hai. Are you looking for gold buys? Maybe above 1789 if we get that chance. 1789, I think that's going to be beautiful opportunity, but there's some problems here on the 15-minute time frame, so not sure. I'll have to wait. Your student is on gold sells. Well done. Any advice for teenage traders? Get up to 21 years old. What's your morning routine on charts? Nothing. I send analysis and then see if I can take a trade. Salam Rajabai, how long have you been trading Forex for? 7 years. How were you early days when trading? Loving the work. Oh, losses, man. I lost. I lost in my first almost a year. I lost big time. Lost almost $120,000. Didn't give up. When mentorship joining will start? 1st September. What thing would let you do live stream every day? Nothing. Your stories always inspired me, like those G-Wagon and Range Rover. Oh, I think you're going to see all that on YouTube now. Why can't we trade domain market in India? Yes, you can. How should I get it from you? I don't know. Do you get invited to do podcasts from YouTubers? There are actually 4 invitations sitting in my inbox right now, since we're going to be in Miami anyway. So, I don't know. We'll see who I choose. There are 4 invitations of podcasts so far right now. What made you start being profitable? 1 to 2 trades a day. With all the rejections on gold and impulse entry makes sense. I was just thinking about that. Will, I was just thinking about that. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 many rejections. This is also pre-New York, so we'll see. So Raja, you quit IG due to addiction? No, I wanted to focus more on YouTube. Learned that letting trades run with a runner increases confidence? Yes. Where is today's signal? It's coming soon. It's coming soon. Just watch. Watch here. Buys are coming up on gold. If you disappear from tomorrow, don't you think that will affect many people trading? Sure. I don't care. Many making money on YouTube and not IG. Yes. Plus, you know, YouTube pays me to be on YouTube. IG doesn't give nothing. So why am I going to be on Instagram anyway? How can we join your Zoom meeting? You can't. You are the realist. Thank you. Donvo is in gold cells. I think he watched the wrong webinar last night. Hey, what happened to your Instagram? I don't know. How's it going? Great. May I interview you on YouTube? Oh, I work for a national broadcaster. Sure. Let me guess. In Nigeria or Kenya, right? Timotheus Andres. What's your net worth? It's not where I want to be. If you tip live trading on YouTube, why are you not first? Oh. First at live stream, let's see. Thank you, welcome. How long have you been trading? 7 years. Where do you find your inspiration? I found my inspiration from people who don't work hard and they still make a lot of money. That's where I found my inspiration from. Because if you go to any place in your country or city where people don't make a lot of money, what you're going to see is that they work way more. They work way harder than people who are making way more by not working as hard. I mean, of course, they work smart, but, you know, hard work and smart work, 2 different things. I trap in gold buys in London. Also, what GJ should be done. I don't know. Why did your guest have to be? He is from Kenya because that was his name. National broadcaster in Namibia. I want to host you on a business show. 100%, bro. I'm down. 100%. 110%. It's going to be an honor to be on your national TV in Namibia. It's going to be an honor. So send me an email. I was going to say send me a DM on Instagram, but send me an email. Send me an email at rakeel@marketfluidity.com. Better not see you in my city. You what, mate? You what? Man, I have a neck sprain, so I can't really be active. But you better pray my neck sprain is gone till 5th September. All right. I quit following James. Yeah, he doesn't post anything basically anyway. I mean, here's the thing. You go look at all the people you follow on Instagram. Go look at all of them, right? Go look at all of them. And then look at the ones who provide value or the ones who are providing you with information by posting online. Just take a look at those traders, right? Take a look at those. How much information are they providing you when they post? If they're not providing you any valuable knowledge or information, unfollow them And I can 100% guarantee you, and most of them are not providing any valuable content or knowledge or like anything remotely close to that. Instead of the fact, oh guys, oh look, my brand new watch from, oh yeah, my brand new watch from trading. Oh guys, look, my brand new magic keys from trading. Oh guys, guess what I bought today? I went to Ferrari. Instead of a Ferrari, they gave me a mug, a coffee cup to be happy with. You know? Yeah. So just waiting right now. Yeah, sorry वलीद, अब मैं आपके चैनल को मेंशन नहीं कर सकता. Do you follow Stock Sniper on Instagram? I don't have that. Do you have a book you recommend aside from the 10 Essentials of Trading Forex? No. How do you define success in your words? Success in my words is being comfortable with what you have achieved. I think that is success in the world. I was actually talking to somebody here the other day, and we were talking about, does money really make you happy? And we came to a conclusion that money is not going to make you happy. It's just going to take care of things that are supposed to make you happy, like paying your bill on time. That's the number one thing. You pay your bill on time, you're fucking ecstatic. Right? If you can pay your bills and have some savings on the side, you're happy. You pay a mortgage, you're happy. You can feed yourself, you're happy. If you can feed your kids and yourself the same dinner, the same quality food, you're happy. Man, I know people who feed their kids quality food, like the best vegetables, the best meat, and they themselves, they get by with regular food because times are tough. You know, and I know those kind of people too who are still happy with that. You know, they're like, hey, you know what, we don't know how things are going to be in the next 5 years, 6 years, with the way the economy is going, inflation and our income, stuff like that, but we do know for sure that our kid is eating the best food. Those guys are also happy. And you know, I mean, success comes in many different ways, trust me on that. The best thing is, I know a lot of people who made a lot of money, who made ton of money, and they lost the will to work harder. You know, so when you lose the will to work harder because you've achieved things you wanted to achieve, and now there's no other goal to, you know, like look up to, I think that's where the problem starts. So every like you know, Instagram was getting very monotonous for me. Very same posting, same stories, here's my car, here's this, blah blah blah, the same shit every day. There was no challenge. You know, so I'm like, okay, let me put that aside. Let me put Instagram aside, and let me take on a challenge or something that I really want to get consistent in. There was YouTube. I was like, hey, you know, it's going to be a fun challenge. And also, growing Dominion markets from another social media would be a great challenge as well. You know, it's funny enough that you guys mentioned about what other things you're involved in. We wanted to start a funding company back, you know, almost like a month ago, but we were at it for about 6 months. That was maybe like $25,000-$30,000 down the hole, because that's what it took to jumpstart it. So that was a failed investment. You know, and now we're partnering with another company that already has things on the go, but their whole focus is not just about, you know, partnering up with successful traders and giving them a percentage of their profits. Yeah, their secret sauce is something else. So I can't get into that right now because there's an NDA. So we're gonna get into that once things are finalized. But it's actually, it's incredible. It's incredible. And you guys know I just don't back up, you know, Joe Schmoes for no reason. Why would you start a funding company when you're so against them in the first place? Because there are a lot of profitable traders that don't have access to money. It's great for them. People who want money and you're not consistent, you're just gonna make those companies even more profitable. I enjoyed your stories in IG. Oh, he wants to focus on YouTube. Yes. Are you talking about funded next? No. So what are you teaching us today? How to take a trade and manage it, right? So we're waiting for time over here. And we're going to see if we can get a potential. Gold is trying to move over here now. But there's a problem here. It's also before NY Open. So I'm going to stay calm. I'm not going to make that mistake. We open Instagram every day for watching you, and now you can open up YouTube stories. Can you explain what is pips? No. Learn from you giving motivation, but you're not giving knowledge like you given last year. So sorry you lost your respect, but still you respect. Well, Avi FX Trader, if you want to know knowledge from me, maybe you want to change your name to Avi FX trying to be a trader, then Avi FX Trader. I lost respect for you. You think I care? You lost respect for me? I don't even know you exist. What? What? I lost respect for you. What? Why would you say that to a random person? What do you think about Albrox? I have no idea. Brother, please analyze pound yen. I am long. You are buys on pound yen. I think for your buys to play out, you need at least a 1 hour candle to close bullish. If you can get a 1 hour candle to close bullish, then you could say your buys are going to work. Or if this candle magically breaks the high of the previous 1 hour candle, then you can say your buys can work. But so far, it's looking, I don't know. I wouldn't want to take buys right here at this point. All right, my London trade got stopped out 162.61. You took a sell. I don't know which candle you took a sell. Over here or over here. I have no idea. Yeah, no clue. Oh, buys, but shorts made it. Oh, okay. My bad. Just saw that. All right, gold over here. What's this? 19 pip stop. We got a 15-minute possible rejection over here. Very tough call. Very tough call. Very tough call. 1789.75. I have two 32-inch 4K curved monitors. All right. This should continue pushing up till at least 1791.70. 1791.70. But there's this problem right here, which is why it's stopping me. Are you living in Dubai? I got 1 foot in Pakistan, 1 foot in Dubai, and a third. Well, yeah, just 1 foot in Pakistan and Dubai. Buys above, yeah, makes sense. Waiting for a close here. Makes sense, but the volume's kicking in. If you see the super secret volume indicator I have on my other screen, it shows price should continue breaking above. Yeah. I want to see, what do you think about this trade by Pigeon Man? It's Friday, we should wait 30 minutes. Yeah, exactly. It's Friday here as well. You know, you got to be careful today. All right. Yeah, I'm not going to rush into that trade at all. Let's see here. Oh, Raja, window man asks, I just marked the previous daily high, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, so now you got to do the same thing on these smaller time frames here as well, buddy. You got to do the same thing on the small time frames. What's the price of digital magic key? 30 bucks. It's just 30 bucks. You know, physical version of magic keys costs like 160 bucks. $160, man. People pay that in commission in a week. $160. And if you trade on Dominion markets, the commissions you pay to trade on Dominion markets, you can use those commissions to get magic keys. And you can use those commissions to get in the market fluidity database, which is updated every 2 weeks. Only if you use Dominion markets. You know, that's our punchline. I'm R for the day. Oh, take care, Noah. Take care. I got digital magic keys. It's great. Time to upgrade to the physical one. Does the virtual magic keys work with Mac? Don't think so. What's the best trader on Dominion markets? There's one guy, he deposited 350,000. He's doing really well. He withdraws about 50,000 a week. Don't you think people are jealous to let people find you out because everyone want to make money in private? I don't know, man. I don't care about that. Do you have any paid group? Yes. No. Where do I purchase magic keys with my commissions? You have to email incentives@dominionmarkets.com. What suggestions do you have for people taking challenges, and what should be the risk percentage in your account? The risk percentage is very personal. Someone can risk 5%, someone can risk 10%. I always tell people that, hey, listen, if you want to take a challenge, first, if you want to take a challenge yourself to a small account, $100, $200, and try to grow that 100%. If you can grow that account in 2 months by 100%, then withdraw that money, put that in the challenge account, and you're going to be much better trader. Do you trade equities? No. Paid group, but no value added? Shut up. What do you mean, no value added? You know, half you guys are just, man, come on. What do you mean? What's this? New dating for Tates and ages. Tates and ages. Do you get tired of the same stupid questions? No. Could you please review this buy idea? Let's take a look at this trade by One Life Pro. Let's take a look at this over here. Look at pound yen. Gold. Gold keeps stopping me right here to look at it. Let's do a look quickie. A quick quickie over here. Buy above this area. Looks good. Perfect. See, if I was going to buy at 1789.90, the stop would be below the current 15-minute candle, which is like 13, 14 pips. But also the 30-minute candle is about to close. So we don't know if the 30-minute candle will close breaking above this wick, or will it break up and wick down. That's something we don't know. Smart money concepts, no idea. I mean, no value added means no trade announced in the group. Hey, listen, it's not a signal service group. It's not a what? It's not a signal service group. If you want me to announce trades, I want a monthly fee. I want a monthly fee for that. You know, I want at least $200 a month for everyone if you want me to announce trades in the groups. I want $200 a month for that. You know, it's a one-time fee for $500. You get access to a community, you get access to the database, and that database is updated every 2 weeks for lifetime. You get lifetime access till the day I die. Lifetime access. You know, you look at some other things popping up now, they charge you what? $80 a month, $100 a month for the same thing. For the same thing. $80, $100 a month for the same thing. You know, if you want signals, $200 a month. That's what I want to charge. $200 a month. And I will not do signals unless there's a minimum 1,000 people paying. I want at least 1,000 people to pay for $200 a month, and then the signal is going to open. But I don't want to do that, because for me to do that, $200 a month, that's me buying a job, man. I don't want the job. I make okay money from education, market fluidity. It's okay. It's not that great. It's okay money. You know, I make great money from, you know, Magic Keys, brokerage. Magic Keys alone did $80,000 last month. You know, last month, $80,000. Broker, great. Trade with trading, I make phenomenal money with trading. Phenomenal. I'm ready to pay. Tell me how to pay. No. No one's paying. No, I don't need that monthly stuff. No. No, I'm good. I'm good. Is trading your biggest source of income? Yeah, trading is my biggest source of income. Trading has really allowed me to really expand a lot of stuff, get into a lot of businesses. There was a podcast I was listening to yesterday, and they were talking about, it was actually on Impulsive. They had Dan on, the guy who does these motivational business investment, meetings and stuff like that. They had Dan on, and they were talking about how big money attracts more money. You know, so trading has always been my way to get into other industries. You know, real estate, investing in some portfolio management, investing in watches now. You know, so that's what it has allowed me. Do you know Lord Banks? He's the one taking out 50K. No, he's not Lord Banks. I don't know, maybe, but I don't know his name. Say something about liquidity trap and how to avoid it. There's no such thing as liquidity trap. There's always something as liquidity grab. Could you review my trade? Let me know if I did a good job. Let's take a look at this over here.
If you did not do a good job, we're gonna start to roast you over here. Oh, nice. Looks like you got lucky over here with your pound. You entered a buy here. This thing just kept moving up, which means pound yens kept getting weaker. What do you think about 5-minute time frame? No. Yeah. So we didn't break above this area. This is the only thing I was afraid of. Yeah, that's why I didn't enter. Pound yen here as well. 30-minute looks clean, but still got to be wary about this this little teeny weeny bit of problem we have right here in a 15-minute. So you got to be careful about that. So if you guys are new to the channel, give a like on the stream, subscribe to the channel, because this is the best, the first, and one and only Forex live stream channel. What do you think about hedging? Man, stop spamming, first of all, business life. Never announce the 100K, 200K that we see in your journal, almost lose online. Oh, well, that's fine. That's fine. Sometimes I do announce and then I lose. That's fine. If someone, oh, there we go. Yeah, we got to break up of this area here. Mr. Adil is just sour. Why are you ignoring me? Good morning. Super happy and grateful for you. Mind checking my analysis. Let's take a look over here. Do you invest in crypto? Yeah, I got some XRP. Yeah, I guess we'll have to wait for the 30-minute candle to close here, realistically. Oh my God, this guy. Who is this guy? 7-figure trader. You sent the Big John over here. Oh man. Your punishment is in the gulag of the gulag. God damn. Big Henry. Henry came in the chat. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to wait for the 30-minute candles to close, man. It's a Friday. It's a Friday. Don't want to take a dumbass loss on a Friday, which is why I put stops at break even on this last one I took. Six figures in the last 3 days. Who would have thought that Raja Banks coming from the slums of Pakistan and moving to Canada, coming back, would do 6 figures in 3 days? Not yet in Dubai, not yet, but gonna head back in a week. What happened to your Instagram? I deactivated it. Who sent this bamboo? Oh, gold is down. Yeah, I gotta wait for the 30-minute candle to close. Yeah, so, best thing would be to just chill out on a Friday. Seeing you lose gives me comfort, not to be depressed about my loss. Seeing me lose gives you comfort. Let me give you some comfort over here. Let's take a look at, yeah, look at these losses over here. The biggest loss up to date on this account alone, the biggest loss I've taken was $33,950. This was CPI. This was CPI. And I think that was my biggest losing day here as well. Lost about 43,000. The biggest loss has been that. The biggest win has been around $250,000, something like that. But the biggest loss has been 33,000. The biggest win was $250,000 2 times. And then, yeah, some $60,000 wins. And mostly have been like 20s and 30s. Yeah, look at all these 10 pip trades over here. Smallest loss has been 2 cents. See that? Start from somewhere. Start from 0.01. Start from somewhere. Yeah, I don't like the way things are moving over here in gold, to be honest. Like, this candle broke the high, broke the low. Wow. The biggest loss online and the biggest win offline. Thank you, Adil. Thank you very much. Stop focusing on me, man. Start focusing on yourself. Seriously, start to focus on yourself and you will see how much I'm going to grow. You know, you will see this, Adil. Like a lot of people have been following me for the past 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and they've seen me grow with time. With time, you guys have seen me grow. And now you've seen my Instagram, I deactivated it. Now you know what that's going to do? That's going to remove all distractions. You know, it's going to remove all distractions, and now you're going to see me grow much more. And for all the people who look at me with the magnifying glass all day trying to see like any faults and this and that, you're all going to stay in the same position. And in the next 6 months, the kind of a change that you're going to see, well, you're going to see here on YouTube. You're going to see all the change here on YouTube because I focus on myself. 100%. Adil, so, and everyone else there with the magnifying glasses, you guys are going to stay at the same place that you are here right now, and you're going to see a lift off over here. Can you explain your trade before why you take sell on gold today? My sell on gold. Let's see here. This was very simple. We had a breakout right here for price to move up, and then was waiting for some sort of a support form. Candle came back, missed this breakout, and came back to the chart when price was maybe breaking above the high and stuff like that. Next, when this candle broke below the low, what does that mean? Breaking the low, making a newer low, and making a lower high means this move up became a fake out. It was London Open, volume time, so price, you know, took a sell, and so this was a picture perfect fake out. Love how the video talked about the upping your lot size and how your first trade is going to be a loss. How was your psychology once you took? Oh yes, thank you very much. Uncle Ted searching for you in the woods on Instagram. Yeah. I've deleted my TikTok account. New goals: focus more on trading, gym, diet, religion. Inshallah. To be honest, man, think about it. Like I don't even know. Like I've said these things over and over again. You have to focus on yourself. 110%. You have to focus on yourself. All the social media stuff, it's distractions. Really, it's distraction. You can go down the rabbit hole. You can try to prove someone's a scam. You can try to make memes out of somebody. Whatever you want to do, you can do that. Whatever you're going to. But that's not going to make you better. You can say, oh, I'm trying to, you know, expose someone and I'm trying to make people realize. Listen, those people who realize they don't care about you, they don't care about your family, they don't care about what you eat, what you make, what you earn, they don't care about that. And the end of the day, the only person who's going to matter is going to be you. And trust me, all the hate that you're ever going to get in life are going to be from people who are not above 25 years old. 100%. People who are younger than 25, they can give you all the hate. Once you start having kids, once you start getting married, once you start to have a job and start to have a business, 90% of the time, those things happen when you're over 25 years old or over 30 years old. And those people don't have time to come at someone with a magnifying glass. You know? So, you know, I've been in this social media game for about 6 years now, so I know from where it comes from. Let's take a look at this chart over here. Broke above the high, pound yen, caught 10 pips on GJ. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Well done. Best time to get married? I have no idea. No clue. The 30-minute candle is about to close here on pound yen. Will you trade CPI on Tuesday? CPI is always on Wednesdays. So we got 20 seconds left for the candle to close. When you rich, you get married. I was actually not that rich when I got married. Things started to happen to me after I got married. You know, you need a good woman in your life, man. You need someone who's going to stick through the thick and thin. That's what you want. I know it's you only chart on MT5. Yeah, I think MT5 is better. MT5 is much better. TradingView automatically takes positions for you. Okay, never mind. I was just joking about that. Okay, so gold, we're consolidating. Nothing really happening. Pound yen, however. It needs to wick. If it wants to go up, it wants to go bullish. We needed to wick down and then break above 162,375. And then you got this range over here. 162,375. 162,375. That's what you want price to break. Okay. Naveed Saab is going back in the gulag now for spamming. Have you achieved your goals that you set to when you were young? Yeah, I have. And my goal will always to, like, when I was young, I used to play a lot of sports, right? Rugby, football, cricket, stuff like that, you know. And my dad was always working, always working. He worked, you know, he owned businesses, so he was always working. He'd leave the home at like, you know, 9 a.m., come back home at like 10 p.m., stuff like that. So he would never come to like my sports events and stuff like that, and I really felt it. You know, I was thought, man, okay, like, you know, if he was here, he would see me play this well, or he would see me tackle, stuff like that. So I said to myself, okay, you know what? Once I have kids, I want to have the kind of a life where I can just drop everything at any given moment and go to their games or go support them in things they want my support and stuff like that. Financial support, that's perfectly fine. But being physically there, that's something like I wanted. And now, you know, I have just that. You are a batsman or Pindi Express? All-rounder. All-rounder. Mostly wicket keeping though. Wicket keeping mostly because I hated running after the ball. If someone makes 100%, it's not unrealistic. If you can just manage discipline, it's not unrealistic. I've did more than 100%. You know, have you played rugby with Islamabad Gins? Have I played rugby with Islamabad Gins? Go ask them about me. I started playing with them 10 years ago. I started the rugby team in my university. I was the captain of my rugby team in my university. I was one of the key players with Islamabad Gins, and yeah, played a lot of contact sports. So yeah, you know, gold just consolidating. Let's take a look on the 15-minute here on gold. Yeah, just nothing. Garbage here on gold. Garbage. So that's where your motivations trigger. Yeah. So now we have different goals, and goals are to have different options to live in different countries. That's the goal now. To at least have, you know, 3 different passports. You wasted your talent. No, I didn't. I'm physically aggressive with the markets now. I didn't waste the talent at all. Yeah, you can't buy magic keys with crypto. No. I'm a mortgage agent in Ontario, 21 years old, but want to trade full time, but never find the time. What would you do? You're a mortgage agent, you don't find time? Man, being a mortgage agent, you gotta have time. You gotta have a lot of time. My boy in Ontario, Austin, he's doing amazingly well. I don't think you guys know him, so that doesn't matter. How is it to trade in 1 minute? It is not to trade in 1 minute. Can I buy magic keys with crypto? No. Gold still playing around? That's correct. I felt that I was saying, man, why do you guys spam? Why do you guys copy paste? The sell you took, you were saying you missed a breakout. If you were present, would you take in buys? No, I wouldn't, because I wasn't present there. There's news at 7:30 p.m. So gold will move. Maybe, we'll see. Pound yen is still struggling to find a break. And my probability dictates that I've taken losing trades before NY Open, so I'm not going to take a trade over here. I'm going to wait for NY Open. Did you debut for Pakistan cricket team? No. Same Austin that does pressure cleaning? No, he actually flips homes now. How's your algo trader going so far? It's actually going pretty good. It's actually going pretty good. Let me see if it's on over here. No, it's not on over here. It's on the other account. Yeah, it's actually doing pretty good. The chart I sent you was right because all that trade zone over too many zones. Yes. How did you overcome the fear of failing in the beginning when you went full-time trading? I've actually failed well before in trading, so fear of trading didn't scare me at all. I've done so many. I've tried so many businesses online and none of them work. So that was failing in itself. Are you available at Instagram nowadays? Nowadays, you can find me on YouTube and Twitter. Why don't you call Uncle Ted on stream? Hey, Ted! Come on! Yeah, just call them. What do you think about prop firms trading? Amazing. Change live chat settings to one message in 3 minutes. It will stop spamming. Oh, you can do that? You can change settings? How do you do that? Toggle, what's this? Toggle timestamps? Manage moderators? I'll have to find out how to do that. Yeah. If you started focus more on YouTube, all the Japanese emails will start. Okay, so we're breaking above this high on pound yen. And in the past, I've had more losses trying to trade before New York Open. So keeping that in mind, I will not execute on this. Even though it goes in profits, that's totally fine. So I'm not going to execute on this based on losses I've had. I'm on GJ sell without stop loss. Amazing. Well done. Let's take a look at gold over here. Still consolidating. What should be my first deposit? Enough that if you lose it, it shouldn't make you cry. What happened to your Instagram? I changed my name. Is that better? Is that better? Now you may ask, what's your new name on Instagram? I'm not going to tell you. See what you find. What time is NY open? Please leave the stream. Did you prefer take 5 pips and stop loss 10 pips? No. Yeah, I'm not. Probably going to ban you over here. There we go. Man, you are a great person. I'm very glad that you exist. I would like to see you in real life. Come to Miami. Batman, Superman. Where's your Yamaha bike? Haven't seen it in a while. I gave it to my cousins. Say something about hedge fund. Money makers. Yeah, money makers. Are you rich enough to gamble on horses? Yes. Like a horse in itself here in Pakistan, a good bred horse costs like maybe 2,000. Thoughts on 1 minute time frame? I don't know. Habibi come to Miami? No, it's Papi come to Miami. So you changed your name? Yes. How you, Curve and Ted became friends? Through social media. Can you become a hedge fund? Already am. Can you become a hedge fund? Mohammed bin Raja Salman. Why you don't trade indices? How long are you staying in Miami? I'll be there mid-October. I'm going to be there for 2 weeks. Yeah. 2 weeks. So maybe till the mid of September. Have you ever spoke about your trading days? Yes and no. I think I'm gonna make a video about that. I'm gonna make a video about that. Waleed Lagari is in GJ Buys. So guys, the moderator of YouTube is in GJ Buys. All right. Yeah, I should go till 162,600. What are you gonna trade today, Raja? I don't know. Probably pound yen to continue bullish or gold to continue down. Thoughts on monkeypox or sillypox? I don't know. What do you think about ICT? No idea. Smart money concepts? It's dumb. Smart money concepts. That's dumb. That's dumb. Smart money concepts. Smart money concepts are people who are too dumb to understand that trading is just very simplistic. What engine you run on? Pajero 3400cc custom built petrol engine. How did you arrange the capital for your trade big account after you lost 70K? After I lost 70K, I think I had like 10,000. Sir, Wali Baba IB stream check karen zara. Okay. Let's take a look at my my friend here, Wali Baba. Wali Baba. We're gonna check on Mr. Wali Baba. YouTube.com. YouTube.com. Wali Baba. In terms of volume, do you consider the first half of the year? Yeah, it depends because, you know, at the end of the year, there's also more volume because of holidays and, you know, holidays, more shopping. Shopping creates tax income and, you know, more people are employed, stuff like that.
You've got the idea.
For entering
GoDaddy
Saurabai, we
has
just
the
need to make
domain
support
to make
visits
it
and break
happen.
the high. Yes.
Right.
Oh, Wali Baba, stop promoting.
हिंदी में बोले ना
Stop.
अब मैं जो है ना अभी आप देखते जाओ
He's
slow
like,
slow देखते
he's
जाओ
like, slowly just keep
और
looking.
ये कुछ दिनों की बात है
Keep
ये
looking.
स्ट्रीम टोटल इंग्लिश में हो जाएगी
Just
अब
a,
बोलूंगा भी मैं
just a matter of days, the stream will be in English. Oh, what?
हाँ,
Oh,
मैं
yeah.
आप कल जो है ना इन लोगों को अभी मैंने कुछ लफ्ज मैंने
Some,
जो है ना मैंने सीखे हैं
some words he has learned of English. And he's repeated those words in English. Oh, he's going to come in full English. Very nice.
पांच जुमले रोज याद करने हैं
Every day I'm going to learn 5 English sentences. Then everything will be changed to English. Oh, shit. Every day he's going to learn 5 English sentences. That's amazing, man. English is the language of the universe. You know him? Yes. So this dynasty you have created, its seed is 70K lost and 10K you traded. It doesn't matter about that. Ganja mar ke sala trading karta hai. I'm going to start watching Wali Baba now. Sorry. Okay, good luck. When my account is big, I lose trades. When my account is small, I win my trades. I think I have to work on my confidence. Exactly. Gold, wick fill. Yeah, sure. How much was that? 15, 18, 20. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna wait for NY open over here. Can you show when's the C price gold move and explain how could have sellers avoided being slip loss? Yeah, I already talked about that earlier on in the stream. Already talked about that earlier on in the stream. Mr. Hussein Razaz sent a chart here. I think he is originating from Iran or from Persian descent. Closed half, 15-minute candle broke. Oh, very nice. You managed your risk. Absolutely beautiful. You managed your risk at the end of the day. Wali Baba only has 1700 in his account. Yeah, he grew that from $5. Can you do that? Can you do that? There's a page on Instagram posting a video of you drinking alcohol. So what? So what? Actually, what is that page? Let me see that. Post the link. DM me on. Oh, you can't DM me. Try to deposit money, but no luck. What's the best way to deposit crypto? Who create your strategy first? Who create my strategy first? You ever been margin called? Yeah. A lot of times. Margin call comes in big shapes and sizes. Looking to see if there's some more coffee left because it's dark on the inside. See that? Why do I feel like I gamble every time I take a trade? I wish I found this channel earlier. Cheers. Well, Nicole Cayalo, subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon and tell all your friends about it, about this channel. Everyone who trades. Going on to 150 lot size? Yes, thank you. And you know how long it took? A year and a half. Did he really grow his account from $5? Man, you guys are so gullible. Holy shit. If I say that aliens do exist, 100%, you guys will say, well, some people do believe that. If I say that mystical powers allow me to win trades, I think someone's gonna buy into that concept. Mystical powers. Can we sell GJ? I don't know. Look how it closed with a rejection. This 15-minute candle, it closed with a rejection. So, yeah. I decided to take a demo trade daily with you. I think it's the best way to learn, and I will learn for the next 5 years. I'm 21 years old. Very well done. Raja can control the market with his mind. Nah, not quite there yet. I think you're more crazy if you think aliens don't exist at this point. I think you're even more crazy if you think Earth is round. It's not round. Very flat. No, I'm not gonna unmute people because I don't want any arguments. It's flat. It's flat as my mouse pad. That's it. You think it's round? Then sure, show me the edge. Well, there is no edge. Actually, there are edges. The Antarctica, the North and the South Pole, which is why they don't want you to go to Antarctica. Have you ever seen some regular ass person go to Antarctica? There's always a point where they say, hey, this is restricted. You can't go there. Or if you go to the South Pole, there's a point that's restricted. You go to Bermuda Triangle. Has anyone comes back from Bermuda Triangle? Nobody. Because that's the edge. That's the edge where no one comes back from. And also riddle me this. How is seed rain possible? You know in Dubai, they have seed rain. They have seed. If the earth was round, right? If the earth was round, then those clouds would trail and there'd be more rain. But it's flat. So what happens? Clouds, they just vanish. That's how seed rain is done. Raja's lost his mind. No, I haven't. There's actually huge groups that believe the earth is flat, just like you believe that institutions and brokers can see your stop loss and they stop you out. Do you know that? That's false. That's just as false as you think the earth is round. You can this guy, please. Have you smoked regular cigarettes in the past? Haram. The earth is square, okay. The biggest pyramids in the world, Antarctica. Yeah. There's a page on Instagram posting a video if you're drinking alcohol. Sure. So what? God will make big move on UOM consumer sentiment. Oh wow, okay. Yeah, see that? This is exactly the sell I took on gold, right? If we broke up, if we break down, this move up is a fake out, and then we can continue pushing up. Now this is a 14 pip range. It's a 14 pip range. It's not a big enough range for me to sell. This one right here, this one was a bigger range. This is like almost 50 pips right here down to the support. This, not that big. Not that big. Smaller range. Don't worry, Raja. The world is not ready for the truth yet. I believe so as well. How do you know when to take profit? It's the same thing as how do you get on a bus and not know where to exit the bus? How do you know this is your stop? I'm still holding sells from gold 1790. Do you think there's a potential infill to daily wick? You're holding sells 1780, filling the daily wick. Yeah, I think there's a potential for price to fill the daily wick. There is. Now we need to break below 1784. And the NY Open is about to start. I think the wisdom in the stream is too much for my mortal consciousness can grasp. I think I should come another day. Okay, Uzair, good luck. Raja, I think GJ won't push past since 15-minute candle broke the low of the previous one. I think so too. Let's take a look at this over here. What's this?
अच्छा मुझे रिसेंटली भी मैंने अपने एक शूट के लिए विग यूज की थी तो विग लगा के ना मेरे यहाँ पे हो गए थे 2 होल्स जहाँ से बाल उड़ गए थे
पाकिस्तानी बच्चियाँ. Okay. Oh, you're trying to demonetize the stream over here, Mac? Come on, Mac. You against me or with me? Yeah, we'll listen to that later. Could I ask something about my trading setup? Sure. Try to deposit money to the main market, no luck. Crypto is the way to deposit better. Oh, now look, see, we're breaking below the low now. We're breaking below the low now. right? And this is a perfect fake out for price to continue pushing down, but this is a smaller range. If we ignore this range to the left hand side, this should continue pushing all the way down towards 161,900, right? 161,900. Your stop is almost like 10 pip, 11 pip stop, and you're anticipating this price to continue pushing down since this move up becomes a fake out. Right? Great. Bootcamp in Lahore, haven't planned that yet. I'm on the beach, took a trade, made 500, great feeling. Yesterday, same beach, lost 550, was bad feeling, amazing. What's your feeling on losing trades? My feeling on losing trades is to always manage your risk. How many people will you have in the bootcamp? Normally around, we'll see. Every bootcamp is different. Depends on the venue though. Oh. Yeah. It's better to enter with 2 trades per signal once you in profit -1 break even on. Yes. We need more action. This is the action right here for you. Pound yen sells. Can you take a look at this and explain for me a little bit about fake out? Okay, let's take a look at this over here. We have a whole webinar about fake out as well. Just with small candle, is this already a fake out? No. You need the next candle to come back in the range. So it broke the low. It means there's a high probability for it to come back in the range. I took a sell, break this as a fake out, run very well, very, very nicely done. So now, since you took a trade and you won the trade, whenever you win a trade, look to see how could you have had a better entry. So then maybe you could say, oh, if we broke below the low here, and if I would have entered right here, I would have had a better entry and then a better monetary return. Right? So you won a trade, that's absolutely amazing. Now you need to take a look at where could you have had a better entry. Right? Make sense? Makes sense. What happened to your Instagram? Deactivated it. Follow me on Twitter, link is in description. From your experience, what happens more times than the other, a breakout or continue fake out? Both things have their own chances of happening. I mean, depends on volume, depends on what market you're in, depends on whether there was news, depends on where there's no volume, you know, like depends on a whole lot of those things. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome, man. Next, there's 2 CPI on Tuesday and Wednesday also. Man, is there CPI? Is there CPI next week? If there's no CPI, we're going to block you. If there's CPI, I'm going to end the stream. So let's see over here. I'll see whether I'm going to be on Instagram or not. I just deactivated it. Yeah, there's no USD CPI. I wonder what they're doing with the rates. Are they increasing the rates? I think New Zealand is increasing the rates. I'd like to think so. Retail sales and yeah, that's it. Are you going to be live more often? No. I smell Jija buys. I think I smell Jija sells there, buddy. I think I smell Jija sells with the NY opening. That's what I smell. If you smell Jija sells. I don't even like Twitter. Now I gotta make one. I didn't like that either, but it's so awesome, man. So awesome. Here, I'm gonna put out a tweet right now. I'm gonna put a tweet right now. I have, and it's so easy. Started to enjoy Twitter. Full stop. Space, new line, hashtag, love. Tweet. So fast. So quick, man. Seriously. Okay, let me just do this over here. Twitter. It's so fun. Yeah. Okay. See, I'm gonna tweet. I'm gonna tweet this now. In a live stream now on YouTube for the New York session. Full stop. Hopefully, new people will see me lose, comma. Regular will see us lose again. LOL. New line. Let's see what tweet does. Tweet. Oh, it tweeted it. Oh. Yeah, no, this is amazing. Yeah, so you know, it's fun. Tweeting. GJ and Gold. Gold is coming back in the range over here. Thoughts on any trade and the tax he has, masculinity in the West? I think it's great, man. You guys in the West, you guys are becoming snowflakes right there. And I think he's your savior right there to pull you back. Everyone born in the 2000s, there's an 80% chance you're a snowflake at this point. You get enraged over certain things. You get mad about certain things, you know, when you don't have to. But you can do all the social media. No, I can't. See this now, we got 3 minutes left. The candle is about to close, and if this candle closes above, you know, 162, 300, I'm going to close half. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to close half at that point. A double fake out, yeah, I don't know. Just going to manage risk. That's all we can do, right? Manage risk. I was born in 2000 and I cannot believe how sensitive this generation is these days. Yeah, your generation. You gotta smack them in the back of the heads every day. You're like, hey, don't be too sensitive today. Go along the way now. How long should a beginner stay on demo? 0 seconds. For 0 seconds, you should stay on demo. My first account was a demo account. I did that account for 1 day and then I stopped it. I'm like, nah, doesn't make any sense to me. Doesn't make any sense to me. So I went with a live account, $200 and lost. Born in 2000 is very recent. Not for me, man. Yeah, you know what? 2000 seems like just yesterday. Because I remember when 2000 came, there was Y2K. I mean, if you guys remember this here, there was Y2K. And people were talking about how at 2000, all the computers are going to reset and everything's going to stop working. Your watches are not meant to go past the year 1999, so everything's just gonna stop. You know, that was the whole rumor when we were walking in 2000s, and it's crazy. It's crazy, and it's also crazy to think that most of the hate I get are from people who were born after 2000. Can you imagine? Like, if you were born in 2000, you're 22 years old now. If you were born in 1998, you're 24 years old now, you know, so yeah, that was a huge concern. So yeah, at this point I'm going to close half right here, just manage my risk, you know. Doesn't make sense to take the whole loss at this point. Everyone thought it was the end of the world. Yeah, it was pretty. We even contemplated buying a new and the world was going to end on 2012. Yeah, I remember that too. That 2012 is going to be the end of the world. It's going to be the end. And then 2012 went away and nothing happened. Will you be sending 10% profits to Ukraine? Why? There's no reason. Hunter Thompson? Better change your name from Hunter. Reminds us of Hunter Biden. Do you use Fibonacci fundamentals? No, I don't. Why do you execute before NY open? Because I was trying to get in an early position here for the potential fake out here. But yeah, so I guess this trade is still valid over here now. Let's take a look at gold. Ooh, wow. Gold looks pretty good to continue pushing down, to be honest. Yeah, just gotta see. Yeah, that daily wick fill you guys were talking about gold, 100%. We're about to break the high here as well. Actually, we broke the high, so close the trade right there. So now, this is where I managed my risk, right? Look how much I lost on a 50 lot. Look how much I lost. I lost maybe, what, 7 pips? Right? Not that much. Not that much. Not that much at all. No, I'm a very conscious trader. How many strategies did you try? A lot of them. I tried everything and everything out there. So my last two trades, one was a break even right here. Oh, almost break even. And this one here was a loss here, but I managed risk. Raja, you're teaching trade management, risk management only. Yeah, risk management is, you have to manage your risk. So your latest tweets was true. Yeah, it was true. Are you retiring from live stream soon? No. No. Okay, perfect. Okay. Let's see here. हाँ जी, hello. हाँ तमुरे यार मेरे लिए वो रख देना चिकन और खीरे. हाँ चिकन खीरे रखनी और वो है ना वो अपना टैंक पड़ा है, टैंक भी बना देना. हाँ बस घंटे तक. ओके. All right. Told my servant to get my food ready. And some tang. Why don't you use the old Twitter account? I don't know. I didn't even know that was there. I found that out yesterday. What about an impulse sell trade when breaking the previous 15-minute candle low? Yeah, sure. But yeah, that would work, but it didn't. Have you seen near Verdara? No. Michigan University expectation are coming. Wow, man. You guys are incredible. What was the trade on gold? Cheers. It was the sell. I posted this on my YouTube, so you can check it out on my YouTube. No, on my Twitter. I posted this on my Twitter. What time frame are you using? The one you see right now. What's the servant will spit in your food? He doesn't. If he will, we'll find out. His tongue's gone. White chicken is not a food. Yes, it is. Ever thought of integrating doing markets with TradingView? Yeah, we did think of that, but TradingView charges a lot of money for that, so no thanks. Is risking $20? Is the servant black? No, he's not black. I've heard sound like Middle Eastern just replaced with our pronunciations with D. No, Middle Easterns, they don't have the word, the letter P. So instead of P, they have B. So it's Pakistan, they go to Pakistan. They say Pakistan. Are you from Pakistan? Or did you bark your car? You know, stuff like that. What happened to Instagram? I deactivated. Servant is Ukrainian? No. Is risking $120 on every trade on a $3,000 account safe? No. On a $3,000 account, I don't think you should risk more than $50. Don't think you should risk more than $50. They call it Pepsi Bebzi. Yeah. Is Lamberau legit? He's a legit person. Hebrew has a fe in their alphabet. Nice. What about 1-to-1 leverage account? Sure. Good luck. If we scale in with 2 trades per signal, can we trail? Yes, you can. A man preparing another man's food, that's somehow humiliation. No, it's not. That's what a servant is for. And we pay him well. Controller FX said he wasn't your student. He said he doesn't use your strategy at all. Oh, yeah, sure. Tell me that again. I buy GJ, lost again, blah, 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 blah. Man, why did you buy GJ again? Did you see me buy GJ again? No. Views in Balochistan, no clue, don't know, don't care. You said on 3,000, don't risk more than that. How many lots should be used? Man, I don't know. Go risk. Learn risk management. Learn how to calculate your risk. Are you done for the day? Yes. Just say you have a butler. No, I have a servant. 500 risk on a 2,200 FTMO is okay. 2,000? I don't know. Who's your mentor? Nobody. Ted. Learn from Ted. Lot of business sense I learned from Ted. You know, like he basically was my savior, to be honest. You know, if I look at it that way, didn't help me financially, didn't help me with anything like that. But the whole advice and asking the right questions, something for guidance. People say, oh, you know, some people are this, some people are that. But man, if you have someone old, someone who's older than you, who's doing way more than you, and if you don't use that person to your own advantage, I mean, I think you're the biggest. I don't know. You're just wasting your time. You're wasting that connection. Yeah. What about trading stocks? I don't trade stocks. Did you have a problem not being able to stick to one strategy? Yes, I did in the start, but now I don't. So today we managed a risk over here. Amazing trade, amazing risk management trade. Beautiful, just beautiful. Oh man, oh man, oh man. I think I'm gonna leave in like maybe 10 minutes here. 8:15. Raja, see you in Miami. Hey, Will, see you in Miami. You can see you guys there. How many weeks we got left over here? This week is done. 1, 2 weeks. In 2 weeks I'll be in Dubai, and then after that I'll be in Miami. Perfect. I told you not to take that trade. Yes, you did. Say something in Spanish. Parle français? No. Hablo español? Just wait till 140 PIY. Okay. I need your Twitter account. It's in the description. I came into trading on a winning streak, and it's probably the worst thing that could have happened to me. I feel like beginner's luck prolongs the insurance journey. Yes, it does. Let's take a look at this over here. Is this a broken link or what's going on here? Yeah, I think the link is broken. What plan for weekend? Plan for the weekend? I don't know. I don't know. What's the plan for the weekend?
By customizing product pages.
What's this?
Ladies and gentlemen, we have been transported over to Dubai Mall, where Cipriani having some breakfast.
He spent 20,000 in 1 hour at Dubai Mall. I spent 100,000 in a random watch shop.
At the apartment.
But what do you get? Oh, you know what?
Is this how they present the
You know what? I've been watching a lot of videos of this guy. How he built up his businesses and how he did all that stuff. I've been watching a lot of videos of this guy here lately.
Understand that when you see some of these numbers, it's gonna look insane to you.
Yeah, you know, it's normal. What else did he buy?
This is
Man, it's good. $600 sweater B. Let's see, what else did he buy over here? That's it.
Okay.
That's it.
Because I thought, hey, I'm never gonna.
He couldn't say the price of these things. No idea. The most expensive was a zipper sweater. Oh, that's not bad. What happened to your Instagram? Apologies. I deactivated it. So you're gonna see me on YouTube. Did Ted scold you? If yes, what was it? Didn't. No one can scold me. I have one dad. Only my dad can scold me. That's it. I don't need another father. And if you guys get scolded by people a lot, apart from your dad, I think you need to man the fuck up and you need to realize that you have one father in your life, and only your one father, the only human being, is allowed to scold at you, let alone raise your voice at you. Only one person in this whole world is allowed to raise your voice at you. And trust me, when that person's gone, you need to be a stone cold killer after that one person's gone. That's something I believe in wholeheartedly. The only person who can raise his voice at me is my father. That's it. That's it. I don't need another father in my life. Risking $120 gives 25 trades in 1 month. I think it's impossible to lose 25 trades in a row. That's true. Can mums scold you? Man, mums can beat your ass any time of the day. Someone is saying my boss is gonna get it tomorrow. Yeah, man, you stand up to your boss, you let him know how things are, and he's gonna talk to you with respect. If anyone has a boss right now and they yell at you, they scold at you, you tell them straight up. Be like, yo, man, listen, you wanna go? We can go in the parking lot, but you're not gonna talk to me like that ever again. I have one father, I don't need another one, so you better watch your mouth next time.
You're gonna get fired for sure.
No, bro, you're not gonna get fired. The man's gonna be like, oh shit, this is a delicate situation now.
I'll fire that motherfucker right away.
Yeah. Hey, Elizabeth, can you draft up a resignation letter?
Go to HR.
Yeah. They want to see you in the HR. But yeah, Mac, you're coming to Miami too?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Very nice. Very nice. Some people were saying
Go to
that
HR.
I'm paying you to be my bodyguard in Miami.
Who, me?
Yeah, you're like
I'm getting paid?
You're like the perfect bodyguard, man. Fades,
I'm getting paid?
Mexican,
I
tattooed
didn't
up,
even
beefed
know.
up Mexican.
Yeah.
Perfect.
There you go. Talk about
Short and sturdy, built like a wall.
Mexican. 30 like a wall. Okay, I like that. I'll take that. You know I was getting paid. So you bringing a filming crew around?
Yeah. We're bringing someone around. Yeah. All right. Wow, gold did the whole reversal over here. And my open just went all the way up opposite. Raja, this may seem like a stupid question. Well, fasten your seatbelt, boys. But want to ask, I'm up 1.5% today and super confident. Okay, I know where it's going. Should I continue trading or call it a day? You're up 1.5%, son. Go tell your dad you made 1.5% today. He's going to say, impossible. The banks give me 2% a year. Yeah. Can you give analysis on gold trade in the morning? I already did it on my YouTube and my Twitter. Yeah, pound yen can now just continue driving down over here. But I'm going to give my trade a second chance because I already took too many trades there today. Are you making progress with fitness? Yes, I am. Absolutely, I am. Didn't you see my picture?
He's jacked.
Didn't you see my picture right here? Look how much progress I'm making. I've been making so much progress. They gave me a gold chain which says control everything.
And a cigar.
And a cigar. This much progress but I don't know. I'm pretty big in person. When people see me in person, they're like, "Oh shit, man, you're bigger than we thought." Oh, 15 comments. 12 comments over here. Oh, how do you read the comments here? Okay.
You gotta click on the picture. There you go.
No. Yeah. 17 tweets. I'm a tweeter now. Where can I buy your class in Miami? There's a link in the description. I mean, just don't buy it, man. Don't do that. Shit. Now we're gonna have a dumb guy here in the boot camp. Don't buy it. How much money are you trading? What happened to your IG? I deactivated. Page looks like straight up scammer page. Yes. What happened to your IG? Can I buy your class in Miami? Yeah, you know, gold decided to move up over here. When are you coming to Singapore and Malaysia? Haven't really. That's not in the pipeline, but it is. East Asia is in the pipeline. I see you alternating between 15 and 30 minutes. Any reason for that? No. I alternate to 15-minute time frame just to see how the 15-minute is closing, and then how the 30-minute is going to overall form. You know, come to Karachi, not in the plans yet. Risking $120, give 25 trades. Oh, we talked about that. Thoughts on news trading? Don't do that. The balance of your account for motivation, 2.2 million. 2.5, sorry. Off by 300,000. If we trail price over a series of trades, how do we maximize profit if we caught a long-term trend? Put stops at break even. First, gain confidence in letting your trades run, even if that's a 0.01. Gain confidence first. Bootcamp in Japan or Korea, I don't know what people speak in Korea. Like, is the second language English? Anyone from Korea here in the Gulag? Second language should be English. I mean, it's a universal language. Can't learn a Korean just for the bootcamp. It may help, by the way. Oh, second language is English. Okay. Awesome. Bootcamp in Korea. Let's see here. Let's plan this out right now. Weather in South Korea.
North Korea.
North Korea. Weather in South Korea.
They're gonna keep your ass in there.
January. Oh, not bad. Oh, it's August. Oh, yeah, it falls down. Yeah, it's gonna be cold, man. Weather in Hey, Abdul Jabbar, stop calling me. Hold on. Why is he calling me? Jabbar Saab, kya ho gaya ji aapko? They all speak English. Okay, weather in Australia in Germany. Oh, in January. Oh, nice. It's gonna be nice and warm. Well, Australia, here we come in January.
Take your Barbies out.
Yeah, I guess this is going to be a fake out here to the top side for price to continue to push down in, you know, for pound yen. Bootcamp in Cape Town, not in the plans yet. Yeah, I'm going to ask my travel guy to see if we can go to Australia in January. Because in January, I'm going to be in Dubai anyway. So it's a direct flight from there. Yeah. What broker you use? Dominion Markets. Are you buying or selling? Nothing. But the sell idea is for price to continue pushing down to 161,880. I think closing below 1 hour resistance was good. Yeah, I think so too. Take a look at 30 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, I think it was great. Great idea for price to go down. It was great. Amazing. What about gold buys? Gold buys you need above, it's about to break above. It's an impulse entry. Plus we got news. It's Friday, so you got to be careful. Do you vape? No. Why aren't you trading this move? Because I already took too many trades there today. So this is the Comet Comics, ladies and gentlemen. The Comet Comics candle comes with volume every time. And right now, I'm very unsure whether it's going to push up or push down. The Comet Comics 5-minute candle. Are you interested to get a loan of 20,000 rupees at 5% per month? Are they fucking stupid? Yeah, no thanks. Australia is hot around that time. I like that. Oh, but the only thing is, I don't want to be in Australia when this stupid monkeypox shit comes in, because then I've heard people get trapped for 6-7 months in Australia. So yeah, do you have any debt? No, I have zero debt. I have mortgage which I can pay off. I think we have I think like 300,000 left in the house in Canada. It's better that way. We're just gonna leave it on mortgage. That's the only debt I have. Monkeypox not as contagious as COVID. Oh yeah, wait till they tell you it's contagious. Wait till they tell you it's contagious. This monkeypox, and then everyone's gonna say it's contagious. Come to Africa? No thanks. Bootcamp in Antarctica? No thanks. I may fall off the edge of the earth if I come to Antarctica because it's flat, and all these nerds here try to believe that it's oh, Comet Comics is really pushing. Very nice. Looks like we really did reject this area right here. So someone who had a sell from 70. Oh, damn. So someone who had a sell from 1790, I think that was your break even. Move up before news. Interesting. Yeah. Very interesting. Broke above. Pound yen also retracing. Wow, this is insane. Let's take a look here. Let's see who said what. Can you find anything heading into downside? No. Let's see here. No one said anything. Nothing. What happened? Oh wow, we're at 1792. Are we going to tap into 1794 here at resistance? Some massive news just before the news. This happened. Comet Comics does it once again. Yeah. This is NY volume. Yeah, it is. But also, you know, before the news, let's see what they're expecting here on the news. That's what we got to see, right? What are they expecting here? They're expecting lower numbers, but it's not that strong of a news, to be honest. It's just NY volume. That's it. NY volume. I'm out. Have a great boss. Thank you, Shaq. Take care. Very, very well done today. Beautiful. See you on Monday.
Take care.
Mr. Stock Sniper. This is some streamer over here.
Be afraid to take someone to you guys if you're not comfortable with holding these things in drawdown. All right, because we can flip back down below this level in about 1 minute.
Is he on the 5 minute?
Is this
5 minute CFDs US 30?
Gold got a little rejection, guys.
Jesus.
Okay, so like I said, it was promising. Like it looked good for a sell down here, but nothing closed.
Hello, well done. Well, you're just the biggest troll ever.
15-minute resistance, breaking its high. We're still above. Okay, you can see the long resistance now, right? Pushing back down. It's coming near the 4 hour here, guys. Okay, you can see.
Oh shit! What's this? Wow, who is this guy?
This maybe get above 900.
Vincent?
That would be nice.
Oh, subscriber only mode.
And
Shit,
then I'll
man.
look for
Why
maybe
do people do
continuation to
this?
the upside. But before that,
Isn't doing
right,
shorting
let's say
Tesla?
something like this. Before that, I'm not gonna
Subscriber
go
only
upside
mode.
because
You
I
gotta
know it's gonna
subscribe
get
to do
chopped up
something?
here.
Nah. Let's take a look at pound yen here. Yeah, we're still in that. What's this? Let's take a look at this post on Instagram. Forex Goat SSA. Who's this?
African for sure.
Bro, that's the most fakest Rolex.
That doesn't say.
What model is that? That's not a
Doesn't even say
date
Monday.
just.
It doesn't even say Monday. It says
Man, that's not a date just. And
no. It's supposed to be a date.
that's not. It's supposed to be a day date, but the day thing is just off. That's not even the correct Rolex. Wow, this thing is supposed to be right on the top. And Gulag, do you guys see this? See, man, this is why I stay away from Nigeria and Kenya, and like this is straight scam, man. It's crazy. How much is he making over here? 31,000 US dollars. Crusher robot. Crusher robot. He's got a pretty, decent BMW over here.
Why is he always wearing that thing you buy at the airport, right, for the neck?
Yeah. Where is his Rolex here? Oh, it's right here.
He's got a Hublot there.
Look at that. With winners, conversations are always different. Yeah, why is your bag broken from the front and you got a new Rolex watch? Mr. Louis Vuitton.
Champions jump bag and
Oh, we got a video.
What's up? Top G. What are you with Vuitton today?
Why he's got a neck pillow in his BMW?
I don't know. He's always wearing that
see
neck
that?
pillow.
He's got a neck pillow. Oh my god.
It means he travels. He's well versed.
Holy. Wow, that was crazy. Don't kill me, man. Don't kill me. What's this? Oh. Oh wow, 67,000 followers. I wonder if they're fake. Yeah, decent likes over here. What's this? Hey!
Oh, Puppy Moet.
Nice. Very nice. Oh, what the fuck?
Bro, when I see the leverages on these accounts are crazy.
Yeah, a guy wakes up and goes, full margin. Hey boy, full margin today. Hey boy, full margin every day. Holy, look at this. Oh wow, 3 a.m. we up. Yeah, you don't sleep at all. Yes, RSA, I know. It's Czar.
Sorry. Yeah, but still, like.
Let's see this over here. Hey, can you suggest what could I have done differently in this trade? All right, one life, bro. Let's take a look at this over here. I remember you sent a wrong chart that one day where we said, oh, you need to send one time. Oh, page not found. Yeah, I'm not going to open any charts here from the Gulag. Because last time the guy sent a picture of Big Henry. And
Big Hen Squatty?
Yeah. Yeah, that big black guy. And I'm like, oh.
General.
Yeah. Sent Big Henry with his general. So I'm like, nah, I'm not going to open anything ever again now. Do you know anything about two candle theory? No. Yeah. So, yeah, that's the thing over here these days. You gotta be very careful. I've been saying this since 2016. One candlestick is not a clear indication of direction. Is this Ted's? Oh yeah, it is Ted's post. I was about to say, bro, Ted says that. Let's see over here. Where's Roger Banks? Roger Banks. Oh, he's in the plane.
Did you see the one that I made?
I don't know.
It's the Where's Waldo with the.
Oh yeah. Where's Waldo? Yeah, someone posted that in the group chat. That's where I saw that. But what's this market? Fluidity or capital hungry? Oh wow, nice. This is done a comparison over here. Who is this guy and why am I following him on this account? Okay. Oh yeah, I've
Do a
seen
quick
this.
photo shoot. We went out and took some pictures of him in front of nice homes, nice.
Is this the explore page? Oh, what happened? क्या आप जानते हैं आपकी पिठी में दर्द क्यों हो सकती है? Oh no, these are feet.
That's your Fufu account?
No, this is the Market Fluidity account. I've always had this logged in over here for some reason. Yeah. Raja using his burner account. How funny is that, FX Trader? Please recommend some Forex books. The charts. The charts will help you more. So this is 8:30 now. If you break the high, we can go up. But anyway, I'm going to head off. This is my time to call it a day. And we'll see you guys on the refresher webinar this Saturday. Just for Market Fluidity students only, and Gulag may not apply. Please recommend some Forex books.
Mention a disclaimer.
Little disclaimer, just so that you don't get your hopes up.
All right, man. Be safe. Bye bye.
Yeah. All right. Awesome. Take care, everybody. Now I gotta spend some time. Time to close this.
The Smart Belt. The biggest leap in comfort, beauty,
Bye-bye.
and resilience since the
Take
invention
care.
of the belt.
See ya.
It's
You're fired.
Bye.
You are underperforming and I found someone better for the job.
I want to break up with you. I'm in love with Chad.
Oh shit.
Everybody is leaving me for someone better. Why am I not good enough?
Yeah, I'll pick one alpha man.
I don't believe it. Don't message me about depression because I don't believe in it.
Who
I
comes
decided.
up? Who comes up? Andrew Tate. How to fight? Holy.
I realized yesterday that
Oh,
I
this
can
is so
actually,
good.
genuinely, right now, nothing is stopping me from becoming Batman. Okay? I have a Batmobile, a Bugatti. Yep. I can fight. Yep. Rich as fuck. I'm charismatic. There is nothing stopping me putting on a suit and being Batman.
What a nonsense.
What's this nonsense?
Somehow this man has a lot of fans. Let's give him another shot.
Water I drink is sparkling water because sparkling water is for rich people. You can get non-carbonated water, still water, from the fucking tap. The government gives you that shit, effectively for free. Sparkling water you have to buy. So if you only drink sparkling water, you only drink rich man's water.
Bro, yo, listen, I think he just takes some, this guy Andrew Tate, he takes like different things from the internet and just randomly goes the opposite direction with it. Like, fuck sparkling water, man.
Who on earth would follow this man's advice?
Yeah.
Enough internet for today.
Enough internet.
Don't like spark.
Oh wow.
Et watch Android that video?
Watch
Yes,
it.
button off. Good. Fies YouTube and social media with Android that videos.
Oh shit. Oh damn. Peace. Oh. That is so hilarious. But let me check my Pakistani YouTube. So Pakistani YouTube. Oh. 1 Andrew Tate, 2 Andrew Tate. Rest Imran Khan. And some other bullshit. Oh, Nelk Boys, yay. 1 Andrew Tate, 2 Andrew Tate. Viral Cobra, Tate Legends. Alright, that's the all internet I have for today. Alright. Take care, everybody. See ya Monday.